That was huge. Jonathan came in last week with a lot of tension in the base of his skull. So it was actually worse at night by the end of the day, and it was restricting his movements, almost like a really tight muscle spasm. And those muscles at the base of the skull are the suboccipital muscles, and if they clench down or they spasm, they'll almost lock the head, just like this, in this position here. So we did an occiput lift on him last week, where we lifted up the base of the skull to release the tension in the muscles, create alignment in his spine. So we're gonna continue that today. We're probably gonna lift both sides, but I'm gonna hop on the table. You're gonna lean back into my leg. You got it. So it gets stuck right there. Breathe in. Right there. Wow, man. That was huge.